Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with FiveM where the FiveM is not working with your GTA 5 or GTA 4. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, the basic step, if you have installed any third-party antivirus such as Norton, Avast, AVG or Malwarebytes, make sure you completely disable or uninstall these third-party antiviruses. Then open up your Windows security, and even I suggest you to go ahead and temporarily turn it off by going to its virus and threat protection, click on the option manage settings and turn off real-time protection. Once you have done so, go ahead and launch the FiveM to fix out the issue of FiveM not working. If this method failed to work out, in next step I suggest you to use a VPN. You can use any VPN such as Proton VPN or Windsky VPN. Both VPNs are free to use. Go ahead, first of all connect using the VPN, only then launch the FiveM. Once the FiveM is launched and once it is successfully connected to the servers, only then you can go ahead and disable the VPN that you have used and use your own internet connection. This is a necessary step. Only disconnect the VPN only after your FiveM servers are connected successfully, and then turn off the VPN. If both methods doesn't help you fix out the issue, let's proceed with the next step. Right click on start menu and choose the option run. Type here percentage local app data percentage and then hit the enter key. Here press the F key to find a folder with the name FiveM. Open it, open FiveM application data, and here find a file with the name citizenfx. So press the C key to find citizenfx.ini. Here it is the file. Right click on it and choose the option open with notepad. From here under the update channel, delete completely. Once deleted, hit the file menu and choose the option save. Once it is saved, close it. Now right click on the application of the FiveM and choose the option properties. Here click on the compatibility tab and make sure if any option is check mark right over here, like compatibility mode, run as administrator or full screen optimization. Make sure you completely uncheck all the options available right over here and then hit the OK button. Now go ahead and launch your FiveM to fix out the issue of FiveM not working. If all the method fails, the last hope you have is to do a clean installation of the FiveM. For doing so, open up your web browser, and here I have software with the name Revo Uninstaller. Go ahead, you need to download its free version. Choose this portable version so that you even do not need to install this software into your PC. Once it is saved, open the zip folder and unzip the folder inside it by drag and drop. Now open the unzipped folder, and here you will find a file with the name Revo uport. Right click on it and choose the option run as administrator. Simply accept the terms and conditions. Now here all the details will be shown in front of you, the softwares that are installed in your PC. From here you need to select the FiveM and then click on the option uninstall. Click on the option continue. Wait for the process to finish uninstalling this software from your PC. Now under the scanning modes, choose the moderate one so that you can even uninstall its registries present in your PC. Once you hit the next button, it will start to scan the remaining registry files from your PC. Now here the list of registries. Click on the option select all and delete. Again select all and delete. Once deleted, close it. Now you need to open the official website of FiveM, download the installer and then install in your PC, and this will completely fix out the issue of FiveM not working with GTA 5. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.